Many guitarists wonder how to diversify their harmonic playing, how to move away from the usual chords and play more variedly. In this video, we will look at 16 options for harmonic substitutions from simple forms to complete reharmonization. I will play a phrase based on the sequence 1-6-2-5 in the key of C major and harmonize it with different variations. In the lower right corner, there will be diagrams of all the chords played. If you have questions about any chords, ask them in the comments. I will answer everything. Thank you. So, here is the phrase we're harmonizing. Let's start with something familiar to all guitarists. The next option is inversions of these chords. Now let's replace the dominants of the 6th and 5th degrees with diminished chords. Further, it will be a little more difficult. We will replace all the chords. Let's replace C major with E minor 11 and replace A with E4, the diminished chord, D minor to F major flat 5, and the G dominant will be replaced by a diminished F chord. The following harmony will move with the same type of minor chords in semitones. Now, a similar option. Chords of the same type will move along minor thirds. Now let's take major chords and also move them through minor thirds. In this version, we will alternate the major and minor chords of the same name. And this is an unusual option. We play only 2 major chords. In the next version, I will consider dominants as the 7th degree of major keys. Of course, all these options can be combined with each other. Here's another quite rare combination. Let's look at another mix. And finally, I'll play chords for each beat, the so-called tritone substitutions. I hope this video will help you diversify your harmonic playing. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Thank you for watching and follow the news on my channel.